this one will be a very straightforward task. It's going to award you with 1 mark. And if you have done this correctly and for the previous questions correctly, you can just go on ahead and edit the registration. And we call this the making direct changes to the records table. So in this particular question, they ask you to edit the following record in the test table and ensure that you check at the registration underscore code, put in this thing, and then at this class code, we're going to change this to 6B and 6T. Whether we check whether our data entry for any errors, and then we have to save this information. All right, so this was the table that we're working. It's going to open up all the tables that we're working in the previous question 19 question. And then we're going to move on into the test because the question asks us to make the changes on the test table and check for the registration code 2016. And that is 029. We're just going to scroll down right over here to 016 underscore 027. We're going to change this particular information under a class code, which is from 6B to 16. And that basically give us the when we make that changes over this code, that's basically giving us the 1 mark. And then just go ahead and just save the table because the question specifically asks us to do so by checking whether we have placed any kind of error, and we're going to save the data just right here. Make sure that all information are saved.